Is Copenhagen worth visiting in winter? I spent a few cold, rainy winter days in Copenhagen, and I'm here to show you exactly what it was like. I landed in the evening and hopped on the metro. It took only 15 minutes to reach the city center, so easy and convenient. Here is a metro map of Copenhagen. I bought a 24-hour city pass, which includes the metro, bus, and train. It covers zones 1 to 4, including the city center and the airport, and it cost 160 Danish kroner. The yellow labels on the map show the closest station to major site. I met my friend for an Asian fusion dinner. It was delicious, but the $145 bill definitely surprised me. Next morning, I went to see the Little Mermaid statue. It's iconic, but honestly, smaller than I expected. Then I stepped inside the marble church, and wow, the inside was absolutely gorgeous. At noon, I watched the changing of the guards at Amalienborg Palace. It happens every day and feels like stepping into a royal tradition. After that, I walked to Nyhavn. Those colorful buildings are even more beautiful in person. I grabbed churros and coffee, and they were really good. There are lots of great restaurants and cute cafes in Nyhavn. Then I took a canal cruise. It rained on and off, and it was definitely cold, but it was still a lot of fun.
But 2 years ago they had a cliff diving competition where you saw professional divers.
The Little Mermaid statue has been vandalized several times. Her head was stolen twice, her arm was sawn off, and she was even blown up. The guide was very funny and did a great job. After the canal cruise, it got dark. Northern European countries have short daylight hours in the winter. There was a Christmas market in Nyhavn. I had steak and a glass of wine for dinner near the hotel. It was delicious. On day 3, I visited the National Museum and had a light lunch. Keep it simple. Then I headed to Christiansborg Palace. Every room felt like a piece of history. But I honestly wasn't very impressed with the interior. On Stroje, the main street, I bought some 100% natural cotton mini tote bags. They can customize them. I stopped by City Hall near the shopping area. The current building was inaugurated in 1905. The architecture is amazing, both inside and out. Tivoli Garden is a world-famous amusement park and garden in Copenhagen, Denmark. Oh, by the way, Scandinavian people are tall. Even the kids are tall, too. Since I was in Copenhagen, I had to try a Carlsberg at a bar. I didn't want to be rude. I had all-you-can-eat barbecue ribs for dinner, but I could barely finish the first serving. On day 4, I took a short flight to Sweden to continue the trip. So, is Copenhagen worth visiting in winter? Honestly, yes. There were fewer crowds, it was easy to get around, and the city had a calm, cozy vibe. But keep in mind, it is cold and rains a lot. In my trip, it didn't rain a lot. However, it could rain a lot at this time of the year. If you don't mind wandering up and you enjoy quieter cities with winter charm, you will love Copenhagen in winter. I know I did. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.